Hello, my name is Imran Sajjad. I'm the Director of GM Accountants and Tax Consulting. Today we are going to discuss about construction industry scheme, which is commonly termed as CIS. Let's get an overview of CIS and see what is included in CIS. In this scheme, all the contractors working within the construction industry are bound to make deductions from the payments they are making to their subcontractors and pass those deductions to HMRC. This scheme covers all the construction works carried out within the UK, including jobs such as site preparation, alterations, dismantling, construction work, repairs, decorating, and demolitions, etc. It is very important to understand what type of businesses are covered within the scheme. This scheme covers all type of businesses and the concerns which work within the construction industry. This includes limited companies, partnerships, and self-employed individuals. These businesses could be contractors, subcontractors, or contractors and subcontractors at the same time. The next question is, who needs to be registered for the scheme? All contractors must register with HMRC for the CIS. Subcontractors don't necessarily need to be registered within the scheme. But if they are not registered with HMRC for the scheme, their contractors can make deductions from their payments at a higher rate. If the subcontractors don't wish to have deductions made from their payments at the higher rate, they must register within the scheme with HMRC. There is another very important and a fundamental question that who needs to be registered as a contractor? Any business who pays to the subcontractors for the construction work must register as a contractor. Some of the businesses who are not the construction worker or not working in the construction industry, but they spend more than £1 million a year on construction in any 3-year period must also register as contractors. Contractors may include some local authorities, government departments, or the private businesses, but it does not cover private households. There are certain operations which are excluded from the CIS, and you don't have to register for the scheme if you are involved in one of these operations. These include some of the professional work like architecture and surveying, scaffolding hire with the labor, some works on the construction site which are not directly the construction work like a canteen on a site, carpet fitting, manufacturing of the materials used for the constructions, also manufacturing of the machinery of the construction site, and delivering of the construction material on the site. While making payments to subcontractors, contractors can make deductions at three possible rates. These rates are a standard rate of 20% for payments being made to the registered subcontractors, a higher rate of 30% for payments made to unregistered subcontractors, or they can make deductions at 0% if the subcontractors have got gross payment status from HMRC. Let's see how to make the CIS deduction. You start with the gross amount of invoice which your subcontractors have issued you, and from that amount you take off the cost of materials used by them, any VAT they have charged you, cost of consumables or stores, any fuel used during the job, cost of prefabricating materials, cost of hiring the equipment to complete the job, and on that net amount, you apply the percentage HMRC has provided. This could be 20%, 30%, or 0%. After making the deductions of CIS, the net amount is paid to the subcontractors, and CIS deduction amount is paid to HMRC. This is a very important point. Some of the businesses operating in the construction industry are based outside the UK. It does not make any difference when it comes to CIS. Same CIS rule apply to such businesses who are based outside the UK but are working in the UK either as a contractor or subcontractor. So you need to be very careful to determine that at what rate your deductions are being made, or at what rate you are making deductions from the payments you are making to your subcontractors. Operating in the construction industry scheme could be very difficult for some businesses. If you are not making the right deductions from their payment to the subcontractors, it could severely affect the cash flow of your business or your subcontractor's business. Also, if you don't make the deductions at the right percentage, HMRC could impose penalties on your business. For more information, get in touch with us today by visiting our website www.gmtaxconsultants.co.uk or drop us an email at info@gmtaxconsultants.co.uk or call us at 020 3773 4123. Thank you.